What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome again to All About Me. And for today's video, I'm going to share to you how you can get free Xiaomi products. And you don't have to be a YouTuber, you don't have to have a huge followers in your Instagram or any of your social media. You just have to be a Mi fan. So if you are, then I'm going to share to you later how to get free stuff or free products from Xiaomi. But before we dive into that, what we have here are boxes. So these are gifts or prizes that I got from Xiaomi, which I'm going to share to you later how I got this. But before we do that, let's start unboxing this and see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so we have this first one over here. Their original saying from Xiaomi, always believe that something wonderful is about to happen, which is one of my favorite. So let's open this one. All right, so we have plastic and another box. So let's open this box. All right, so it also has that saying over there. Wow, we have the okay, so this is the Mi ANC and Type-C in-ear earphones, which is one of a great product from Xiaomi. It has noise cancelling. It plugs into a Type-C connector, so for phones that doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, and it has a noise cancelling. So this is one of the products that I look forward to having. Let's go to the second one. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. All right, so we have a phone. Amazing. This is the Mi 10 Youth. This is an 8GB RAM, 128GB. I'm not sure what the color is because it's all in Chinese. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review for this phone. Make sure you subscribe, hit on the bell notification icon so that you get notified once I upload a new video. Alright, so we have the third item over here, which is also a bit heavy. Yep, it's a phone, and it's one of the latest model that they just released. It is the Mi 10T Pro. So Mi 10T Pro, they just announced this just over a week ago, and this we have the Cosmic Black 8GB RAM, 128GB. I'm going to do an unboxing and also a full review of this sometime next week, so make sure you also stay tuned to see what is inside of this phone. So we have here the special black box that was sent to us by Xiaomi. It is a hard box that we have here. It looks so premium. It could be similar or for this guess of its box. We don't know, so let's see. Okay, let's open it. Okay, yeah, just as I thought, we have a special gift for the Mi 10T Pro. We have a special case for the Mi 10T Pro. Look at that. And also we have a passport holder. So it's a white passport holder. Okay, so we have another drawer over here. We have some more stuff over here. We have some accessories. We have, I think this is for you to put in something for accessories, accessory holder, and also a lanyard with an ID, with a Mi logo in it. All of this has a Mi logo, and also we have a utility pouch or box for storage. And yeah, they'll like this. This is a card holder, ID holder. I'll be using this more actually. Going back to the first question, how you can get free products from Xiaomi like what I have here. Alright, so if you are a Mi fan and you like to know more about Xiaomi, you can download the app. This is only for Android users. Download the app Mi Community. So probably most of you already knows this, but if you don't, or if this is the first time that you heard about Mi Community is actually one of the like the app that people would download, especially if you're a Mi fan. It's a Xiaomi official forum to help Xiaomi users and provide the latest news about the Mi products and the MIUI updates. So Mi Community is also where Mi fans interact, or for you to know like new products, product reviews, unboxing. You will see it from there. It's a forum, and not only that, Xiaomi not only creates this wonderful, this very innovative products, but also they care about the Mi fans, so they know what are the feedback to the Mi, feedback from the Mi fans, and it is one way of getting those great feedback is via the Mi community. So once you go to the Mi community, you register, and once you've registered, they will have a lot of contests over there. Photo contest, probably just like design contests. There's a lot of contests. It's like every week they have contests, and you can win a lot of prizes. They won't be giving you small things. It's from small things to big things, like smart phones. They'll be giving like their newest model over there, and also one time they were giving a Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2, and they ship it to you for free. So which is amazing. That's how they give back to their users or to the Mi fans out there, right? So I have a link on the description on how to go to the Mi, how to download the Mi community. It's also available on desktops, Android, and if you're an iOS user, you can also use the Mi community, but you have to open it via a browser and register from there. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you like it. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check that link on the description below to download the app, and also to direct you to the Mi community website if you're using a desktop or if you're an iOS user. I'll see you on the next video.